Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Tuesday, September 6, 2016. This is the first trading day after the Labor Day holiday. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Let's get started here by looking at the S&P 500 E-minis. You'll see they are trading higher by 1.25 points to 21.79.5 per contract. So we'll see how this plays out. Not a lot of movement. Generally, the start of the week is slow, so we'll see what today brings. We are expecting increased volume and volatility in the month of September. Just not sure we're going to get it after this holiday hangover type trading day, but we'll see what's on the charts. Let's take a look at our first stock in the news here. CPHD is the ticker symbol. Stock is CFeed, and what you're going to notice is that it is being bought out today with a big gap up. And looks like it is being taken over by Danaher. Danaher is DHR is the ticker symbol there. And again, this is trading at around $81, closed at $81.19. No real movement in Danaher, but there is big movement in CPHD. And this is a takeover pattern. So there's not a lot you could do here. If you own it, trail the stop or take your money. If you don't own it, there's not a lot. You don't want to be buying it up here at these levels. But this is a takeover. Let's take a look at Marvell, MRVL. This is a chip company. Stock reported earnings. Company right now, or stock I should say, is trading at $12.45. Closed at $13 and a penny on Friday. So a little bit of a downtick. This was down a lot more. It has come back a bit. Again, I really don't see a lot of upside in this name. So be a little bit careful here at this point in time, and we'll see how that plays out. It looks like Monsanto received an increased bid from Bayer for $127. Stock right now is trading at $108.09. So the stock is not really reacting all that well. So be a little bit careful here with Monsanto. I don't think it goes a whole lot lower than where it is, but hey, you never know. You got to be a little bit careful with this. But it looks like the German firm Bayer did put out an offer to buy Monsanto. And again, stock popped early. Now it has rolled back over. Closed at 107.44, so it still has a little bit of upside from its close, but not much. So be a little bit careful there. We'll be looking at Monsanto once the opening bell rings today. A level I like for the stock, if it got down there, would be 102, but I'm not sure it gets down there today. Let's take a look here at NAV. It looks like they signed a deal with Volkswagen Truck and Bus. Big pop here. Stock closed here at $14.07. It is now trading at $18.45. This is way overbought, so be careful here. Do not chase this higher. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you do not own it, do not do a thing at this stage of the game. Looks like we have some movement in the 3D stocks. SSYS is catching a nice big bid today. That is trading at $23.30, closed at $21.93. There's a ton of resistance around 27. So if it does happen to get up there, and I'm not sure it will, there's a ton of resistance there. 3D Systems also catching a pretty good bid. This closed at $14.92, trading at $15.75. These stocks are up in sympathy to a play on General Electric. General Electric bought two European 3D firms, 3D printing firms. General Electric had made a purchase over the weekend, and these 3D printing stocks are up in sympathy of that news. So do not chase these stocks higher. We will be looking at them once the opening bell rings. GE today is trading around $31.33, which is basically right where it closed on Friday at $31.29. So no big movement there. I am noticing some weakness today in Hess. Ticker symbol is HES. Stock is trading at 51.25. No real volume here. Closed at 53.08. So we'll watch this once the opening bell rings. I do see some support around 51, right where we are now. So we'll see if what this looks like when the opening bell rings. But this is going to be on our radar this morning. We do have some notable upgrades and downgrades. It looks like upgrades here. We have Urban Outfitters. Stock is trading at $36.20, closed at $36.10. No real movement there. F5VE, which had earnings last week, was upgraded this morning. Stock is trading at $43.94, closed at $43.40. And then you have Gilead Sciences receiving an upgrade as well. Stock closed at $76.89. It is now trading at $77.80. So again, we are watching that pretty closely today. I am noticing Tata Motors I'm not sure of the news. That is catching a little bit of a bid. This closed at $42.23, now trading at $43.85. I happen to think this is very overbought at this level, so be careful with Tata Motors. Not much I would do with it at the moment, so we'll see how this plays out. All right, there goes pretty much all the stocks that I've seen moving and shaking in the morning. And like I said, anytime you start the week, usually Mondays are slow. Today is a Tuesday due to the holiday, which was yesterday. So again, reflecting Monday type action in the charts right now. But let's take a look at gold. Gold is making a move today. It's up about $11.80 at the moment to $1,338.5 per ounce. So this is a great move up in gold. If you take a look at the GLD, which is a good gold miners ETF, gold ETF, this is trading at 127.33, closed at 126.57. So really strong pop there for gold today. You'll also see the gold miners, which is GDX, trading up a bit as well. This closed at 27.35. It is now trading at 27.83. So this is a nice pop for gold. I'm not sure they're going to go much further to the upside here today, but nonetheless, good early move. We do have crude oil trading down about 33 cents right now to $44.11. Believe it or not, a little while ago, oil was trading higher. Oil is now trading just up lower by 32 cents to $44.15 a barrel. Take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF. You'll see that's trading at $10.22 this morning. Again, just a little bit of a downtick, if any, pretty much flat from Friday's close. So again, we will be watching crude oil, but you could see the rollover that is taken over here in the pre-market, and we'll see how that plays out today. But right now, crude oil a little bit on the weaker side. All right, that wraps it up for today. Again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, we've had a great 2016. Take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we are doing there. We will be looking at all the stocks mentioned here in the pre-market video, and we'll see if they give us any patterns to make some money. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day. Hope you all had a great Labor Day, and we'll see you on the charts.